everyone, welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury cars of the year, the all-new 2025 BMW. From cutting-edge technology to a refined driving experience, BMW has taken things to the next level. So, is this the ultimate driving machine for 2025? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the 2025 BMW looks more aggressive, more futuristic, and more aerodynamic. The signature kidney grille has been redesigned, slimmer yet more dynamic. And yes, it still has the controversial illuminated grille option. Love it or hate it, BMW is pushing bold design choices. These new adaptive LED or laser light headlights give the car a sharper presence, improving nighttime visibility while adding a premium touch. BMW has refined the side profile with sculpted body lines and larger, lightweight alloy wheels, which not only enhance aesthetics but also improve handling. Moving to the rear, the sleek OLED taillights and redesigned bumper give it a more aggressive stance. And let's not forget those quad exhaust tips. BMW wants you to know this thing means business. Alright, let's talk about what's under the hood, because performance is where BMW always shines. And for the thrill seekers, there's a V8-powered M variant with over 600 horsepower, bringing serious performance to the table. The new xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures better grip and handling, and BMW has also refined the adaptive suspension for a smoother yet sportier ride. Step inside, and you'll feel the refinement in the steering and braking response, precise, controlled, and exhilarating. The 0 to 60 mph time, just around 3 seconds in the top-tier models. As expected, BMW delivers top-tier luxury inside the cabin. You get a fully digital cockpit, featuring a curved 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch driver display, both powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 software. This new system is faster, more intuitive, and features AI-assisted voice controls. Plus, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The ambient lighting system is customizable, creating an immersive driving experience, especially at night. And of course, we still have gesture controls. Wave your hand, and you can adjust volume, change songs, or even answer calls. Pretty cool, right? BMW has packed this car with next-level safety tech. Standard features include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist and blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera with augmented reality navigation, autonomous parking assistant. New for 2025, BM's semi-autonomous driving mode allows for hands-free highway cruising, keeping you centered in your lane while monitoring traffic conditions. So, how much does the 2025 BMW cost? Well, pricing starts at around $50,000 for the base models, while the higher-end M versions will easily cross $100,000 plus. Stunning, futuristic design, powerful engine options, luxurious tech-filled interior, advanced safety features. Some people might not like the large grille. High-end models get really expensive. Gesture controls can be gimmicky. So, is the 2025 BMW worth it? If you want cutting-edge technology, exhilarating performance, and a premium driving experience, then absolutely. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 BMW, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from MVP Auto Update Hub. See you in the next video.